Hey guys, my name is Akil and welcome to btech Career Guide. So as you all know, Meesho is conducting the test today and most of the candidates have written the test, and here you go. So the round 1 is a screening test which consists of OOPS, data structures, algorithm, DBMS, networking and error handling concepts. So if you are very keen at these topics only, you can attempt the test. The questions are also around basic and medium level, so it's easy for all of the candidates in case if you have the good command on these topics. It's a screening round and they have conducted the round in a next level app, so which is a AI based screening app, and the time has been reduced from 45 minutes to 33 minutes as they have asked only 26 questions out of all the topics. So let's dive into the questions. The first question they have asked is, what are the main disadvantages of linear search algorithm? So the answer you can give is, so what is the main disadvantage of linear algorithm is so in case if we increase the number of elements in a list or an array, so the time complexity increases if you want to search the element which is present at the end of the list. So that's the main disadvantage of linear search algorithm. You can have a clear simple answer here. You can take a look at that. So here you can see this means that the size of a list increases, the time taken to search for an element also increases linearly. So that's what I have said. So the time complexity for linear search algorithm is order of n. So you can frame your own answers to answer this. So sorry to forget, they have conducted the test which is a audio format, so they will be displaying your question and you need to answer that in your audio format, record your solution and then you need to submit that audio to them. Okay, and second question is Bloom filter in data structures. So what are Bloom filter? Bloom filter are probabilistic data structures that are used to test whether an element is a member of a set or not. So they are particularly efficient in terms of space and time complexity. So in case if you deep dive into the data structure, this is a very good topic that you can refer to. And come to the next question. So achieving data hiding in C++. So what are the specific methods that we can use to data hide in C++? Here you can see there are few concepts like private access specifiers, accessor, getters or setters. Okay, so they are also called as accessors and mutators. So you can answer in such way, and here is a simple answer that they are provided here. You can see, so private specific accessifier are by declaring data members as private, they can only be accessed within the class or not the outside of it. So the accessor or getters, public methods that provide read-only access to the private data members of the class, and mutators or setters, public methods that provides write access to the private data members of class, allowing them to be modified. So this is the way you can answer in case if you get this achieving data hiding in C++. And the next question is memory management in C++ versus C. So how do you do memory management? So in C we can use malloc and free functions, but in C++ it is different. So coming to the C++, here you can see you can provide the answer as such. C++ provides automatic memory management through the use of constructors and destructors. Objects are created using the new keyword and the memory is allocated dynamically. So the delete keyword is used to free the memory when the object is no longer used. So delete keyword is used to delete the memory in case if there is no use of the keyword or the space required for the variable. So but in the C, the memory management is manual and done through the functions like malloc and free. So memory is allocated using malloc and deallocated using free function. So there are no automatic constructors or destructors. So that's the difference between C and C++ and the memory management in C++ and C. So they coming to the next question, they have asked what are the asset properties of DBMS. So this is the main key topic in DBMS, which are atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So you can say asset properties are so and so, and here is a simple definition of each of the property: atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So this is the simple definition. You can go through that. I will be pausing the video for a few seconds so you can take a screenshot of it, or you can frame your own answers to answer them. That's it. So let's dive into the next question. So role of cache memory in system performance. So what does the cache memory do in system performance? So cache memory is a small high speed memory located closer to the CPU. I think in case if you learned operating system, so cache memory is one of the biggest topic that you need, that every graduate should master. So okay, and it stores frequently access data and instructions to reduce the time to take the access them from the main memory. By keeping frequently used data in cache, the CPU can retrieve it faster, improving overall system performance. So this is how you can answer it in case if you get this role of cache memory in system performance. And coming to the next one, role of stored procedures in DBMS. So there are certain type of stored procedures in DBMS which we can see here. So A stored procedure is a set of pre-compiled SQL statements that are stored in the database and can be executed repeatedly. So this stored procedure commands can be executed repeatedly anytime based on your requirement. So it plays a crucial role in improving the performance, security and maintainability of database operations. So what are the benefits of stored memory is, so it will improve the performance, enhance security, code reusability, easier maintenance and transaction management. So these are the main benefits of storage procedure. In case if you get this answer, you can simply say these are the benefits of the stored procedure in DBMS. And come to the next question. So what is the role of DBMS and the SQL rollback? So SQL rollback comes under SQL, but which under comes under DBMS, but they have asked in a separate manner. So what is the role of DBMS? So basically we use DBMS to store data or maintaining data, and or else data integrity and security. So these are the topics you can say. And so coming to the SQL rollback. So in SQL rollback, what we'll do, in case if you insert any record in the table, we'll be roll back in the latest one, which is the last one. We'll be reverting that. So that you can see here. So here you can see role of DBMS. So is responsible for managing and organizing data in database. Its role includes creating and maintaining database structure, storing and retrieving data efficiently, enforcing data integrity and security, managing concurrent access to the database. So you can answer simply like that. And coming to the rollback, SQL rollback is a feature provided by DBMS to undo or revert a transaction that has been committed. This role includes reverting all the changes made by the transaction if an error occurs or the transaction is aborted, restoring the database to its previous constant state. So simple, that's the thing. So coming to the next question, they have asked, so what does the DNS stands for? DNS stands for domain name system. Okay, and so totally they have asked around 26 questions, which we need to answer within a 33-minute time frame. And these are some of the questions that our group members have provided to me. So in case if they provide many more questions from different topics, I will be creating another video for that. And for now, thanks for watching guys. So please do subscribe our channel for latest job postings as well as this kind of information and online coding round solutions also. That's it in this video guys. I wish you all the best for this Meesho round.